So don't be sitting there. Move over a little bit. Let the man. You can't breathe.
Breathe. I'm using his body heat. He's not complaining.
Because he can't speak English.
Okay.
Good morning, this is Aaron. How can I help you?
Hi, Aaron. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you, you too.
Could I have a medium coffee, please?
Anything in the coffee?
Just black, please.
Would that be all?
That's all.
163, you can pull up.
That completed my order. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. How's it going, all business fitness renegades and people of Western New York? We just got done with that state of emergency. That was crazy ass shit. But I hope everyone is safe, and I just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. I know everyone's gonna eat up today, and that's okay. I want you to enjoy your family, enjoy that you're healthy for the ones that are super healthy, and just give thanks for everything you've got. That's the main thing about today, is just to sit down and take a second and just say, wow, I'm pretty fortunate. I'm one of the fortunate ones. So macro time. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, and I got a new camcorder. This is I picked up the one that Matt Ogus uses. Just a Sony high definition, but yeah, sick of using the phone for the iPhones. You listen to music, you put it on the tripod falls down. This I just set right up on my PVC pipe, and I start filming. Okay, enjoy the day.